How to become the next Miss World step by step. Hello ladies and gentlemen here. Welcome back to Dyson. Hey you guys, if you're having a childhood dream to become the next Miss World, that's very simple. Let's begin. Step 1. Start your preparation as soon as possible. Now, who all are watching this video, now your age is 13 or 14 mean, yes, this is the perfect age to start preparing yourself for Miss World, because the sooner you start your preparation, the more success you will find in your future. Step 2. How to prepare. In this point, the first thing I need to say to you is, look at inner and outer appearance. Take care of your skin and your fitness, because the first impression is the best impression always. And never forget to look at inner part. Learn new things by speaking to others about beauty pageant. But unfortunately, no people was available in this COVID-19 period. So you can watch some valuable videos in internet about Miss World like my videos. Step 3. Qualities. Well, talking about the qualities, there is a lot to say, but I am highlighting 7 qualities to participate in beauty pageant. Quality number 1. Make sure your gender. You must be legally identified as woman to participate in beauty pageant. Well, transgender women are also allowed to participate in beauty pageant, but not actually win the competition. Quality number 2. Verify your citizenship. You must possess legal documentation of your citizenship. Quality number 3. 17 to 27 age group women are only allowed. Make sure specific age group women are only allowed to participate in beauty pageant. Quality number 4. Miss only allowed, not misters. Well, make sure you are not married and not pregnant. You need to be single. That means you need to be Miss, not misters. Quality number 5. Prove yourself. Submit all the information about you and your background clearly. Quality number 6. Help your co-contestants. I think practically this is the best way to win the audience heart for your Miss World title. Quality number 7. Height. I think this is the biggest question that was going in your mind for many days. I think that's very simple to answer. My answer is 5.5 inches is the perfect height to participate in beauty pageant. Step 4. Confidence. Confidence is a key when you participate in beauty pageant. So personally build your self-confidence by participating in local level competition. Even you can watch some valuable videos in the internet about beauty pageant like my videos to motivate yourself. Finally, step 5. Question and answer part. Now I'm going to answer for all the questions you asked me in the comment about Miss World. Question number 1. Can I win the Miss World even my skin is looking in black? The answer is yes. Actually, the real beauty is not in the skin. That is in your confidence and your contribution level that you given in the competition. Question number 2. Once if I fail the Miss World competition, can I participate again in that competition? The answer is no. No possible, because new contestants are only allowed to participate in beauty pageant. Question number 3. How much money is needed to participate in Miss World? The answer is not exactly, because the money may be different. But personally my answer is you need to spend a little money to become the winner of Miss World. Question number 4. Is it possible to win the Miss World title without the family support? While having family support, it can be more helpful, but you can still win without the support of your family. Just have confidence in yourself. Finally, question number 5. Can I win the Miss World and Miss Universe title at the same year? The answer is no. No possible, because one contestant is only allowed to participate in one beauty pageant. That's it. I think I answered for all the questions you asked me in the comment about Miss World. So, today's series, start your journey with Dyson.